What if you could create and publish profitable kids' books on Amazon in under a minute without writing, designing, or formatting anything yourself? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're looking at KidzKDP, a brand new AI tool designed to create coloring books, activity books, puzzles, and even storybooks automatically. And the goal is simple: help beginners publish books fast and start generating passive income from Amazon KDP. But does it actually work? Let's find out. So here's the basic idea. KidzKDP is an AI-powered publishing assistant that helps you create and publish kids' books without needing any writing or design skills. Instead of spending hours researching niches, designing covers, and formatting pages, the software does everything for you. It's designed for beginners, side hustlers, and anyone interested in publishing on Amazon KDP without the usual technical headaches. And since the kids' book industry is worth billions, even simple coloring or activity books can generate passive income if done right. Now let's talk about what makes KidzKDP interesting. First, AI book generation. You can create coloring books, puzzle books, activity books, and storybooks automatically. Second, instant formatting and publishing. The software formats everything for Amazon KDP, so you can publish your book in as little as 60 seconds. Third, built-in niche and keyword research. Instead of guessing what might sell, KidzKDP helps you find low-competition niches and profitable keywords. Fourth, AI cover designer. It creates professional-looking book covers so you don't need to hire expensive designers. And finally, it supports multi-platform publishing, meaning you can distribute your books not just on Amazon, but also on platforms like Apple Books and Kobo. So basically, it's designed to handle the entire publishing process from idea to launch. Here are the quick pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, creates kids' books automatically, built-in keyword and niche research, one-time payment instead of monthly fees. Cons: the launch price may increase after the launch period. Some advanced features may be available as optional upgrades. Overall, for beginners who want to get started with Amazon KDP publishing, it's definitely an interesting tool. And here's the best part. When you grab KidzKDP through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300+ premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses are designed to help you with traffic, marketing, automation, and online growth. So if you're interested in creating kids' books and building passive income with Amazon KDP, this tool might be worth checking out. Just click the link in the description below to see the full details and claim the bonuses. Remember, the early bird launch price won't last forever, and once the launch ends, the price will likely increase. Thanks for watching this KidzKDP review, and I'll see you in the next video.